My name is Jack Wilson, and I'm the Auto Service II instructor at the Lake County Tech Campus. I am very excited to talk to you today about our first ever Tech Campus Raffle car. It's a 2011 Chevy Equinox that has been rebuilt by our students in our program. It has been overseen by multiple automotive service instructors that are all master ASC certified technicians, and it is ready to hit the road. Over the process of 2 to 3 months, we went through the vehicle from top to bottom, overhauling the upper end of the engine, replacing with a remanufactured cylinder head, replacing the timing chains, and getting the vehicle up and running. Once the vehicle was up and running, we went through the car from top to bottom and replaced any parts that were worn, needing attention, etc. So it has everything from a new exhaust system to new catalytic converter to overhauled brakes to a new battery to new fluids, brand new tires. When looking at the whole purpose of why we started this program, there's something to be said about the ability of our students and what they can do with their hands, and taking something that comes in that does not work and making it work. To this day, for myself as a technician, I still get excited when you have a vehicle that does not run. You make the repairs or what you think is wrong with it, and you hit the key and you fire it up, and I know what it feels like to have won, to have succeeded. And there's nothing more that speaks to our students in volume than to succeed. And that's what this program is all about, to see these students succeed. And this car is a symbol of that success. A portion of the proceeds are going to go to Mother's Trust Foundation, which supports all of our local students in the county, students and families in need. And then another portion of those funds are going to go to student tool scholarships. So to everyone watching, buy a ticket, buy 10 tickets, buy 20 tickets, and on December 15th, the winner will be announced at noon on Facebook Live.